Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ama and yes, this is my first video for 2019. If you have not visited my channel, my name is Ama. Welcome. Make sure to subscribe as well. Today I'm going to be doing a video that is going to be super useful for a lot of people. I have been doing this for many years now, and I used to take my watches to be repaired and replace the battery, but when I took one to replace the battery, they shattered the glass of the watch, and that was my favorite watch. I had that watch since I was 15. My mom bought it for my 15th birthday, and I would wear it, gosh, I think I even wore it until I graduated college, and it still kind of had that shattered glass, but I couldn't not like wear it just because it had that kind of shattered glass. But I was so broken that it was that person that was trying to replace my battery shattered the glass of the watch. And it wasn't like a basic kind of like glass, flat glass. It was curved, so it was harder to replace. So I just wore it like that. But ever since that moment, I decided to fix my watches on my own and to become an expert pretty much. And if I ever broke it or messed it up myself, I did it, and I wouldn't be paying someone to do that for me. So it's something super easy to do. You're gonna need a couple of things to do that, but other than that, anyone can really do this. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and let's get started. So this is the watch that I'm going to be resizing. I just got this for Christmas, and I always do this by myself just because I've learned how to do it and I prefer doing it myself. So this is the watch. I really like this watch just because it is two-toned. It has both gold and silver, which allows me to wear it both with silver jewelry and gold jewelry. As you can see, it is a little big for me, so I am going to be removing links, and it is really easy to remove the links and add on to links to the watch. So I think I'm going to be removing maybe like 3 of them, 4 of them maybe. So this is the watch. I haven't removed the little plastic yet. I'm going to do that after, once I've removed all the links that I need to remove in order for it to fit me. I kind of like it right there, so I'm just gonna extend it like this. So you're gonna need a shirt. This is just a shirt that I have. It's really soft just because so we don't hammer on top of the wood. And you're gonna need a little hammer. This is the hammer that I have. And you're gonna need a needle like this one. I'm not sure what size it is, but it is kind of a thick needle compared to the like typical ones you use like in a sewing machine. It is a larger one, so you will be needing that. And I've kind of dented and cut a little bit of the tip of the needle just so it's more dull, it's not as sharp. So when you start hammering, it has a nice flat surface, so I recommend doing that. And we're gonna go a little closer to the links. You can see the links have these little like holes right here, and so some of them have those little holes like right here. These are the ones that you can remove. You can remove these right here, and you can also remove this one if you want to do that. You won't need to do that. You're going to start from this side, and let me show you. So this is the other side. And just look at these links that have these little holes, you can actually remove. So these you cannot remove, and you can remove these. So the key is, once you're hammering with your little needle, you're not going to hammer where it has a split. So it's circular like this, and it has like a cut like that in the middle. So you're not going to start hammering from there. So this is the side where you can see like a little, hopefully you can see that. Let's see. Right there. This is not the side you're going to be hammering. You're going to be hammering the other side. So this side does not have that little cut in between. So you're gonna start hammering from this side with a little needle, just so because it's easier to kind of remove once they kind of split from the bottom. So right there. So this side you won't be hammering, you will be hammering on this side. As you can see right here, it has 3 removable, 2 like regular links, and then the attachment for this part right here. So technically it's 2 here, and there's 1, 2, 3 links right here. So I'm going to be removing 2 links from here. So we're going to start hammering on this side. So what I'm going to do is just grab my needle and put it right on top of that little hole, and all you're going to do is start hammering. So it's going to come from the other side. So just like that, the bottom, it popped out from the bottom. So this is the little piece of metal that attaches each link. So this is what it looks like. It kind of splits in half. So it's easier to hammer, just so it makes sense to you guys, because it kind of splits like that. As you can see, it splits like that. So it's easier to hammer from the top to the bottom, okay, because it splits off right here. So as you can see here, it's already kind of detached. I'm gonna remove 1 more, and I'm gonna do the same thing, put the needle right on top, and just came off just like that. So this is 1 link. I'm gonna go ahead and remove another link. There you go. So this is a second link. And sometimes I just like to go back and forth to see if I don't want to remove too many. I don't want it to be too tight. So I'm going to grab this one right here, this little stick, this little metal stick, and I'm going to go ahead. So I'm actually going to attach it just to kind of try it on my wrist. So I'm going to go ahead and attach it like that, and you're going to attach the rounded part from the bottom to the top, just like that. And I'm just going to do that temporarily to see how if I need to remove some from the other side. Oh yeah, so it looks like that. And this is the one that I just added. So you see right here, it's not completely inside of the link. So I'm going to go ahead and hammer this down. I'm going to be removing, this is the side we were working on, I'm going to be removing 2 from this side. So I'm going to hammer this right now. So as you can see, it's not fully in there. I'm going to grab my fabric, put it right on top, and I'm going to hammer it. There you go. Now it's in there. So now it's completely in there. This is the side I was working on. I am going to go on this side, and I'm going to be removing 2 on this side. So remember, you're going to go on the flat side of that little hole. There you go. Just like that. So I'm going to remove 2 links, so it's going to be 1, 2. So I'm going to start hammering on this little hole. There you go, I removed that. So now I'm going to attach it since I removed the links, just like that. And I hammered from the top to the bottom on the flat-ended side of this little stick, this little metal stick. And now I'm going to insert it from the top to the bottom with the flat side on top. So just like that. And I have to hammer this. So I'm going to put my piece of fabric on top. Kind of feel it a little bit. And voila, it's in there. So I'm going to go ahead and try it again. You see it's much better now. I'm going to keep it that length right here. So if you guys want to see how to replace batteries as well, to do it on your own, let me know down below. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. So that is how you remove the links from a watch. I really love this watch in particular because it has both gold and silver. This is a Coach watch, and you can buy it at Macy's. I'm pretty sure they still have it. This was gifted to me. So if you guys want to see this watch, check it out at Macys.com. It's a really, really nice watch. It's not too big, it's not too small. And like I said, I can wear both gold jewelry, which is typically what I wear, or silver jewelry if I ever want to wear some silver jewelry. So this is a really, really pretty watch. If you guys have any watch suggestions of like any brand, let me know down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, happy 2019, and make sure to subscribe. Check out all my social media. I always post a lot on Instagram, so if you haven't checked me out on Instagram, at DAMAV425. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have an awesome day, and I'll see you guys next time. Mwah.